Once you are this far, you need a piece of metal. You need to decide which color will be your front, and that's the side we are going to tape this to. So we line it up, making sure your entire design fits on your sheet of metal. It's not hanging off. You only need 2 pieces of tape. So I'm putting one at the top and one at the bottom. Notice how I'm putting my tape on horizontally. Helps hold it down better. Then you need a magazine or something that's got a little cushion to put under your art. And you're going to take a pen. Doesn't even have to work. It does need to have a metal tip, not a felt tip pen. Like a flare pen, that wouldn't work. And you're going to trace all of these lines. I would recommend starting with those lines we measured out at the beginning. And mine hangs over a little bit, so I'm going to mark where that is. Notice my pen's not working, but that's all right. What this is doing is it's leaving marks on the back side. If I catch it in the light, you can see the marks. I'm stretching the metal with the pen. Next mission, you are tracing all of your pencil lines, pushing down. You need to apply pressure. Do not sketch. If you try to make little sketch lines, they will show up in your metal and you cannot erase it. All right, let me show you. So if we catch it in the light, you can start to see my monster's head in the metal. Now my monster's probably going to have additional textures added to it. I'm not adding those right now, and that's because of how the next part works. So if you have lots of little polka dots or something, don't add those now, add them later. So if you look in the light, you can see all my lines really clearly. This is so we don't bend up your metal. And peel backwards. I'm gonna put mine back together later so I can still have my drawing. Okay, now is where you check your lines and make sure they show up really well. And if they look kind of weak, don't go over them with the pen because we don't want it to leave marks all over your metal. Do use one of these tools. This is my little pen liner tool. It is plastic, so it does the same job as a pen, but it will not leave ink on your work.